Hey there, I'm Matthew Palumbo from AudioControl, and in today's video, we're talking speakers. Now, AudioControl, unlike most manufacturers, doesn't take a good, better, best approach to sound. Instead, we offer three very different speaker lines depending on the type of sound you like and what you're shooting for in your mobile audio system. With that being said, let's dive right into the details. All right, so let's begin with the Altitude series. Now, Altitude series speakers were designed with ease of install while maintaining sound quality in mind. So the whole idea behind Altitude was to have a speaker series that fits in most vehicles, offered in the most popular sizes, maintain that signature AudioControl sound while keeping reasonable budget in mind and having something that's fast and easy to install. So Altitude series does use a nice woven fiber cone, rubber surrounds, and aluminum dust caps with soft silk dome tweeters. The other beautiful thing about Altitude series is that they fit in most vehicles. They use a little bit smaller magnet and a slimmer motor structure, so dropping them into most popular vehicles on the road is a piece of cake. The tweeter included with Altitude series component sets is small and able to be disassembled. So if you have a factory tweeter location in your upper door panel, A-pillar, or sail panel, chances are the Altitude tweeter will drop right in. Even the included crossover with the component sets has been made small and easy to install, so it can just be zip tied right in line with an existing wiring harness. Because Altitude series speakers were designed to be used behind factory door panels, they do not include grills. However, the PNW series grills do fit Altitude series speakers and are available for purchase separately. Altitude series speakers do not require a ton of power because they are a higher efficiency speaker. So whether you've got a factory radio, aftermarket radio, factory amplifier, or best yet, a aftermarket AudioControl amplifier, you can be sure that AudioControl's Altitude series speakers will not only work, but sound great. Altitude series speakers come in a 6x9 or 6.5-inch component set with separate 1-inch tweeter and crossover, as well as 6x9 and 6.5-inch coaxial. Now, because so many late model vehicles like trucks and SUVs have started using a 2 3/4 or 3.5-inch middler in the top dash, a middler is a cross between a mid-range and a tweeter, we also offer Altitude speakers in a 2 3/4 and 3.5-inch wideband to drop right into those factory locations. Now, we also offer the Altitude A1. This is a standalone 1-inch tweeter, great for replacing blown factory tweeters in your vehicle. If you're looking for premium sound quality while keeping the budget within reason and having a speaker that installs quickly and easily, then look no further than AudioControl's Altitude series. All right, so for you discerning listeners out there, those of you that have a trained ear or maybe even consider yourself an audiophile, look no further than AudioControl's PNW series. Now, PNW stands for Pacific Northwest, paying homage to AudioControl's roots and heritage coming from Seattle. The PNW series does use some premium materials like double roll rubber surrounds, as well as a mica-coated cone and soft silk dome tweeters. All of the component sets use a separate 1-inch tweeter in a milled aluminum housing with laser-etched logos. Every detail has been paid close attention to. All of the coaxial speakers have a point source concentric design, meaning that tweeter is sunk down flat into the cone at the same plane as the midwoofer, so that you get the best imaging and soundstage possible from that coaxial, even when using factory locations in your vehicle. Now, the PNW series does handle a lot of power. Some of these speakers will handle up to and over 125 watts continuous RMS power. Because of that, they do require the use of an aftermarket amplifier. Keep in mind, you're going to want to look at something like the Altitude, LC, or D series amplifiers from AudioControl to get the full potential out of PNW speakers. The PNW series speakers do include grills for most of the popular sizes. PNW series are available in everything from a 6x9 or 6x9 component set, 6.5 and 6.5 component set, all the way down to a 1-inch tweeter with just about every size in between, including a 2 3/4, 3.5, 4-inch, 5 1/4, and 5x7. So virtually regardless of what size speakers your vehicle came with, chances are there's a PNW speaker to replace it with. If you are a mobile sound enthusiast and you want the absolute best sound that you can get in your car, look no further than the Pacific Northwest series from AudioControl. All right, so we've talked about Altitude for those that want an easy upgrade. We've talked about Pacific Northwest series for those that want premium sound quality. But what about for those of you that want it loud? You like the attention. You want to be heard from 6 blocks away. Well, AudioControl's long been known as a sound quality company. We've always focused on the best possible sound. Our tagline is even making good sound great. But what about when you want to be loud? Now, let's be real, there's lots of companies out there that offer speakers that get loud. But what about getting loud and sounding good? This is where AudioControl's latest line of speakers, the EPIC Pro series, come into play. EPIC Pro line of speakers is for those that want attention. They want to be heard. They want their neighbors to hear them coming from 6 blocks away. They probably have big subwoofers in their system or are planning on putting big subwoofers and bass in their system. This is what EPIC Pro is all about. Now, in the car audio world, this is commonly called Pro Audio because the speaker designs are pretty close to those used in, say, concert or DJ or club type applications. Now, in the EPIC Pro line, we have a handful of different models. We have both components where you have separate mid-bass and tweeters, and we have something we call Pro Axles, which, like this 6x9 here, has a built-in tweeter, the EPIC Pro 69CX. The cool thing about these Pro Axles is they also come with these great looking metal grills, make for a nice looking combo. So if you're actually gonna see these in your install, it's nice to know they come with a nice protective grille. Now keep in mind with EPIC Pro, these are a high output driver. So these are gonna have a super high output tweeter, big motor and magnet design on the back, and they handle some serious power. We're talking 200 watts continuous, 300 watts max on many of the models. Now we offer these in a 6.5, 6.5 slim, 8-inch mid-bass, then we have a 3-inch and a 4-inch tweeter, and in the Pro Axle models, like I just showed here with the 6x9, we have these in a 6.5 and a 6x9 design. The good news is AudioControl has a speaker line for just about everybody, and the Altitude, PNW, and EPIC Pro series pretty much cover all the bases. I'm Matthew Palumbo from AudioControl. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you on the next one.